What's up, guys? Welcome back. I just got a bumper, and that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'll show y'all the old bumper. It's just messed up. So this is the one I grabbed right now. Picked it up from a local FRS guy. So let's get to it. These cars are small as fuck, man. But as y'all can see, I have the bumper, and I mean, it's just crazy how a bumper fits inside a small ass car. But I love it. I love my car. It's my babe, my second babe. First one is my girl, of course. I was gonna wrap the car this color too, but I mean, I like it because, you know, cookies, it's a nice color. But I wanted something darker, so that's why I'm sticking with the black rose right now. So stay tuned for it. I'm kind of fucking tight, as y'all can see. It's a nice ass fucking view. Leave a comment below and tell me what y'all think about coronavirus. I mean, are y'all serious about it? Joking about it? Whatever y'all think. In my opinion, I believe that it's just man-made. It's just like an excuse to get more money for the economy. I mean, y'all see the stock market going up and down and then just dropping out of nowhere. So tell me what y'all think about it. Alright guys, working on cars. Part 3. Part 3. So what we doing?
Breaking the brakes.
Breaking the brakes. Damn, they still good, no?
Shit, they're brand new.
Brand new. Shit. You got Brembo?
Hell yeah.
Damn.
BBK.
BBK? BBK for life?
BBK.
Huh?
BBK.
BBK?
Yeah.
BBK.
You think I'm good?
Don't show your guns, man. Come on. Them small brakes, but they handled it, right?
I guess.
He said, I guess. What he doing? What's he doing?
Go.
This is my bumper, and it's all fucked up. We got spider webs, chips, and everything. So I'll be changing that tonight.
You don't have that.
Alright guys, I'll be changing the headlights. Got this one and this is the new one, which I think they're H7 or H11. Not sure, but we'll find out. So the headlights are H7 and the ones I have are H11. So I have to order some new ones. But let's get to bluffing them. Taking pictures of your car.
Yeah, pick 'em.
Let me see. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You have a wrap too, huh?
Yeah.
Mercedes. Shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't. A picture of you, okay?
Yeah, take a picture of my car. So we have the headlights off. That's how it looks.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna start cleaning them.
You go to it, but
New ones,
my gosh.
old ones.
I
New ones and old ones. An old bumper. This is the spider webs. Chips on it.
you put the onion.
Damn, taking pictures of everything.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
As y'all can see, that shit's all fucked right on it and everything. So what we're gonna do is use sandpaper. We have 800, 2500, and 1500 water to sand it, and we're gonna use Chemical Guys Headlight Restore. All right, let's get started. Right. What we want to do is just add water to the whole headlight. Start sanding it. Sand it with 800 first. You have to keep it wet. I'm gonna do this one even though it's still clean, just to prevent it from the future. Yeah, buddy. Now we're gonna use 1500 to make it shine.
No, Papa,
Shine like the stars.
Papa, it's on mommy, but
You gotta go charge the phone. Next one is 2500. Look at him. You working hard?
Working hard. Like a Mexican.
Working like a Mexican. That's the mood. Now that we have them sanded and clean, we're gonna use the Chemical Guys Headlight Restore. You fart?
Yeah. My bad.
You all good, homie? Now we're gonna just do it slowly first, then fast. What are you looking for?
Number 10.
Number 10? Damn. Number fucking 10. Shit. Comment below if you ever lost a number 10.
Yeah.
Sock it.
Comment below if you have my number 10.
Comment below if you have his number 10. Shit. Slowly, slowly. Fast. Oh shit. Coronavirus ready. What's up? Yeah, buddy.
Where's your suit, Jay? Where's your suit?
Where's yours at? Coronavirus.
We
It's almost there. Just gonna need one more time to redo it. Letting this one sit for a while. And this one, I'll just do one more time. And one more time on that one. Yep. Back to the bumper. Just got done installing it. I'm gonna wrap it soon. Same color. Burgundy. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time.